Hello, good day viewers. Still on quadratic inequalities. Today I'm going to show you how to solve quadratic inequalities by graphing, if at all you don't want to use number line to test some values. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new content, and don't forget to share to your learning colleagues. Alright, let's get started. We have a quadratic inequality here. You can see that they are exactly the same, just that this is greater than 5 and this is less than 5. So let us pay attention to the first one here. Let us try to factorize this because it is factorable. Think of two numbers you can multiply together to get -4. But once you add the two numbers together, you shall obtain 3. And the numbers are -1 and +4. Because 4 times -1 will give us -4. And 4 plus -1 is the same thing as 4 minus 1, which is 3. So we can write this as x plus 4, then x minus 1 greater than 0. You know the roots will be -4 and +1. The moment you take 4 and -1 to the other side of the inequality, they will change sign. This will become negative and this will be positive. So if I have y and x axis like this, we shall locate -4 here. This is -4 to the left, and +1 will be somewhere here, right? And because the quadratic expression has its leading coefficient to be positive, you should expect what? An open up parabola. So it will be something like this. Something like this, right? All right. And remember, our inequality is greater than 5. And the whole left hand side, remember, it is representing y, right? Because, you know, we used to write a quadratic equation as y equal to ax² plus bx plus c. So the whole of this expression is representing y. So here we are saying that the whole of y greater than 0. So why do we have y greater than 0? From the origin here and everything to the top. And at what value of x is y said to be positive? Is what? At -4 and everything to the left hand side. You can see them, all values to the left hand side. Because the moment you take a value here, it is going to hit the parabola somewhere here where y is negative, right? So we only expect from -4 way down to -infinity, and from 1 way down to +infinity. That is the only place you could get a value of x substituted into the expression, and the value of y will be greater than 0. So our solution here will be what? X value that will satisfy will be a value from -infinity way down to -4, excluding -4 because the inequality is just greater than 5. But suppose it is greater or equal to, we have to include -4 by using square brackets, something like this. The union, we join the other solution from 1 way down to +infinity. And this is said to be the solution to this problem. But what about in a case where we have less than 0? You can see that all this portion is where you have y to be negative. So we expect everything from -4 down to 1. That is where we're going to get the solution. So for this one, since the expressions are exactly the same, just that they have difference of inequality, this will have a solution from -4 down to +1. And that's just the difference between them. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.